textbook, signal for entry. So textbook meaning break of structure. Let me show this to you on the 5-minute. So as soon as we hit this demand area and quickly went up, I knew that we were in a long because we held this demand area. It's a very important area to hold. This is where we were trading yesterday. So very strong reaction here. So confirmed that we were in a buy. So now I'm waiting for a pullback because this whole move up had no pullbacks and huge imbalance. The market doesn't like to leave imbalances. So now we look at where it broke structure. It broke structure right around here, which is the last lower high on this downtrend that was created. So as soon as we broke here, huge volume candle to confirm that we were in a long. And that's where I drew my 5-minute break of structure. So now I'm looking for any kind of pullback in this area, but that didn't happen. We continued all the way to my 4-hour high. 15-minute chart hit this 4-hour high, 69.95, left this huge imbalance candle as well. And if you notice, it matches up with the 5-minute that I had as a break of structure. So now I know the market has to go back and retest this demand area that we left on the 15-minute chart. So that is why I waited for this to pull back. 69.79 would have been a perfect entry, but like I said, I was a little hesitant to take it there, which is why I was going to go in with one contract because it didn't tick perfectly. It went back and retested the 69.77, but because we had VWAP at that level, we had a 4-hour level, we had a VWAP, this was a perfect spot to look for a long entry. And as you can see, we went back and retested that same high. Probably going to go to 7003 because the market moves level to level and it's not going to leave this untested level here from January 7th. Didn't hesitate to stay in the trade very much because everything that I was looking for was happening here. On the 3-minute chart, we bounced perfectly. We were staying above the 69.80 level. We then created a failure to go lower with these 2 red bars. This is the failure to go lower, staying above the bottom of this bar. I guess looking at this 3-minute chart, this is the imbalance on the 3-minute chart, so it makes sense that it came back to here. To go up, another entry could have been this pause bar and up. Hope that helps.